Tighten the front cables slowly. Watch the starboard side. Ice is breaking.
This section here is significantly thinner than the specs allow. We need to document the exact depth of the corrosion.
The structural integrity around the coupling is severely compromised by the rust.
Jam, my projections show we need at least 6 months just...
Hold it right there. A little more to the left.
Okay, watch the heater on this side.
Look at the extent of the oxidation under this grease layer.
Copy that. Capturing the macro shot now.
Look at how deep this rust goes on the nose cone.
We'll need extensive plating replacement before we even think about the paint. Right here, the corrosion is extensive. Here we go. Got it. I'll make a note on the tablet and get this shot.
Keep moving the pressure washer slowly across the lower section. Copy that, moving to the next panel now.
The rust penetration here is deeper than anticipated. We need to prioritize the fuselage tomorrow.
Agreed. We'll start...
We need to prioritize the structural cracks near the front.
Yes, the corrosion here is severe.
Slow lift on the east side. Copy that, watching the clearance. Looks good, keep it steady. Heads up, moving the beam. All right, pull it slow.
Look at the corrosion on this joint. Yeah, that needs a full structural replacement. Mark it clearly.
All right, clear the section. We're ready to lower the midframe now.
Confirmed. Ensure the hydraulic supports are locked before proceeding.
Be careful with the welding on the left side.
Okay, I am almost done here. We need more scaffolding on the upper section.
Watch your left, we're cutting power on Bay 4.
Copy that, moving now.
Watch the clearance on your left. Okay, bringing it up now.
Check the welds right above the stripe. Got it. The rust is purely cosmetic here.
这边对准了。好的，现在上力库铺数，在公差贴为逆。
Bring it forward slowly.
Alignment looks good on this side.
Roger that. Settling now.
The structural integrity looks good here.
And the mounting surface is prepped. We are ready for the installation.
Okay, lift it slowly, watch the clearance. Got it. Torquing the final bolt now.
The schematic says this connects to the main auxiliary unit.
Yes, but verify the input against the tablet first.
The pistons are extending smoothly now. Data confirms optimal performance under load. Initiate rotation sequence at 10% power.
Sequence started. Monitoring vibration levels now.
A little to the left. How's that look? Perfect, hold it there.
Keep the tension steady.
It's clear past the bulkhead.
A little to the left, easy now. Okay, hold it steady right there.
We are lined up. Bring it down slowly.
Make sure the edge is perfectly straight. I need another sheet of paper over here. Watch the logo, don't cover it yet.
Ensure the red line is perfectly straight on the Fuxing logo. Almost done, just a few more centimeters to the edge.
The branding looks perfect here.
Yes, the clear coat is flawless.
Does this fit the alignment here? Yeah, it looks good. Secure it.
Bogie connection secure. Systems check reading green. Finalizing torque on axle 3.
Grab the other end. Gently now. All right, I got it. Let's move this section clear.
Looks perfect. No scratches on the paint.
The clearance on the wiper seems right too.
Right here, slight blemish on the stripe.
Got it. Applying the clear coat now.
Looks good.
All clear on the left side. Proceed slowly.
Roger that. Moving ahead at 2 kilometers per hour.
The restoration work on the CR400 is impeccable.
Absolutely, Chief. She is ready for the test run.
Hooray! It's perfect! Long live Fuxing!